Hey bro,
എന്താണ്
I kid you not, I used to be a boxer when I was in school.
നീ എന്ത് തള്ളാടാ?
Just kidding, I was kidding. Dude, I need a photo of yours.
What for?
Personal again. We all dread grammar, especially if you're someone who has just started to learn this language. Grammar is a nightmare. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to introduce to you certain phrases that don't make any sense from a grammatical standpoint. I mean, when you look at it, you'll feel that these words or these phrases are not grammatically correct, but they are correct. All right, so let's get started. But before I do, let me shed some light on the pronunciation of the word grammar. It's grammar and not grammar. It's grammar. It's the air sound, not the R sound. All right, so let's begin. The first one is what say you? What say you? It can be used to replace phrases like what do you think, or what's your opinion, or even what do you say. Let me demonstrate the usage of this phrase with the help of an example. Hey bro, let's go to Goa next week. What say you?
Yeah, I mean,
That was what say you, which means what do you think or what's your opinion. The next one is what for? What for? To understand the meaning of this, all you have to do is flip it. It means for what reason, or simply why. I'll show you. Dude, I need a photo of yours.
what for?
Personal again. All right, so the next one is sure thing. Sure thing. Sure thing is used when when someone asks you for a favor and you're willing to help them, then you can say sure thing. I'll show you. Hey bro, I'm sorry to bother you again, but can you drop me home after the shoot?
Sure thing.
Thank you. So he said yes, he has agreed to drop me home. That was sure thing. The next one is true that. True that is also very simple. All you have to do is flip it to understand the meaning. It means that is true. It can be used when you agree with someone. Someone tells something to you and you are in agreement. You are in agreement with that person. You can say true that. I'm gonna have to ask his opinion for something. Hey bro, the traffic in the evenings is so horrible in Calicut.
True that.
Yeah. I'm sorry, but this is the last one, right? Okay. So the last one is I kid you not. I kid you not, which means I'm not kidding, I'm telling the truth. It's used to emphasize the fact that you are telling the truth. It's used when you say something that's hard for people to believe, like this. Hey bro,
എന്താണ്
I kid you not, I used to be a boxer when I was in school.
നീ എന്ത് തള്ളാടാ?
Just kidding, I was kidding. All right, so that was it. Wait, I would like to introduce a couple more phrases. Correction, I'd like to remind you of a couple more phrases. I'm saying this because I've made videos on this. The first one is no can do. No can do is a phrase which means I cannot do it or it cannot be done. I learned this phrase from the movie Avengers Infinity War. There's a scene in which Tony Stark, he says, he asked Doctor Strange to dispose of the time stone, and Doctor Strange, he says, no can do. That was no can do. And the next one is, I think this was very familiar to all of you. It's long time no see, and it's used when you meet someone after a very long time. When we meet someone after a long time, you say, hey man, long time no see, or just hey man, long time. That's what you can say. So that was it for this video, and in case you want to know more details about the courses that we offer here at English House, you know what to do. There's a link in the description. Check it out. So that was it. Thank you, and I hope I won't ever get to say long time no see to you guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
English House. English at your fingertips.